Hey, welcome back. Hey, welcome back to Focus Kicks. Another one with your boy KR. This week, we focus on some hot sneakers coming out from today, October the 21st, to the 26th. Yeah, you know what's going on. F41 mid by yours truly. Yeah, had to take the air off, put the initials on the back. I made these for my love of the Hawks, man. If anybody know what it's like going to them games, you know it's gonna be fun, man. Some Chick-fil-A and a good game. Sad to say, when I go, most of them been L's. Last one I went to, Celtics, L. Spurs, L. Crazy. No matter what, I'm still gonna ride for my Hawks, man. You know what's going on. Shout out to Ice Trading Game, man. You know, Jalen Johnson coming up. Got a few pickups this year. Oh, yeah. We got Tingus Pingus over here too. Yeah, Unicorn. You know, we coming with it this year. Hope they don't disappoint. Matter of fact, I don't think the Hawks disappoint me at all. You know what I'm saying? As long as we get to the playoffs, get a fighting chance, I'm happy with the result. It's that time of the year, y'all. Time for the Doernbecher collection to come out. This year they dropping 6 colorways. Like always, they dropping some unique colorways. The colorway designed by the kids that attended at the hospital. In this collection, we got a Vomero Plus by Molly, a V2K Run by Kovney, a Air Max Plus by Sergio, a Air Max DNA by Reagan, a Air Force One Low by Ollie, and the Jordan 17 by Zach. If you take a look back at my last week video, I was just begging Jordan Brand for a 17 high OG. Bring back the 17 high, man. Please. Somebody tell somebody mama, to tell somebody who important that these 17s need to come back. Now these ain't OG, but they are high. Somebody talk to somebody. Every shoe in the collection is fun, funky, creative, and what you can expect from kids designing shoes. That's one thing about shoes that I like. It's all about who it's for. And it's all about who attracts, who comes to it. And it always got to be about the hype and how much it costs or which celebrity is wearing it.
Message!
But yeah, man, let's talk about that 17. I like the eggplant design. I like the glow in the dark on the sole. I like the elephant print on the tongue. And the 38 has a special meaning for Zach because those are the days he spent inside of the hospital in ICU. Tough, Zach. Tough. You did your thing with that one. Hey, popping off on the 21st, we got a big collection of Nike Halloween shoes coming out. We got the Air Max 95 and the Air Force One Flies. A lot of people not digging the Flies, but me, I feel like it's a nod to the freakiest Halloween shit that you can get. A lot of people like scary, spooky, and like freaky stuff for Halloween. And for people who love Halloween, it's right up the alley. We got the Nike Book 1, the Giannis Freak 7 Werewolf, the Nike Jaw 3, and a Fit and Slim Reaper edition of the KD 18. You know they call KD the Slim Reaper. So the shoes with the Reaper hand on it, right on point. In that Nike Halloween pack, we got a GT Hustle 3 Pumpkin edition. And we got the MVP shoes, the A1 and Candy Corn. We got a Crocs Claw Back to the Future version. I'm really digging these. They got the fire and thunder that shoots from the DeLorean when they're going back to the past or into the future. I think that's real on point with the movie in the city. On the 22nd, we got a New Balance Hezzy Low V2 Cooper Flag edition. Yeah, we're gonna see what he's doing though. We got a lot of people thinking he could be Rookie of the Year. Let's see. We got an Air Max 95 OG Blue Tint. Also on the 22nd, we got a collaboration with PlayStation and Reebok. They coming in hard with the OG PlayStation collection. You can buy all 3 and they're coming separate. The shoes include the Instapump Fury 94, the Pump Omni Zone 2, and my favorite one out the bunch, the Workout Plus, aka the Soldier Reed. That's mixing 2 things that I like growing up, Hot Boys and PlayStation. I'm thinking about grabbing me a pair. And for your kids, we got a Nike Dunk Low Lego edition. And please, somebody fill me in on this one. I don't know what's going on. But on the 23rd, Puma got a sandal cleat coming out. They call it the Puma Cat Cleat Sandals by Fenty. Hey, you know what time it is when we see this ball? The hooping shoe of the week. This week's hooping shoe of the week is the Nike LeBron 23, the chosen one and the one who chose. These coming in the mismatched shoe colorway, one purple, one gold. I've been loving all the 23s that LeBron dropped so far. They've been tough, classic colorways, and it got some more to go. These shoes right here commemorate when LeBron and Bronny first stepped on the floor together. It's a real sight to see. Father and son on the NBA court together, same time, same team. Ain't get no better than that. Hey, you know it ain't the 23rd without some Jordans releasing. We got the Jordan Tatum 4 releasing in the green glow colorway. And speaking of the Tatum 4, we got 4 different packs coming in, 4 different colorways, 8 shoes in total. We got the Welcome to pack, a nod to 4 different cities. Included in the pack is going to be a Jordan Tatum 4 and the 11 IE low. First off, we got the Tokyo, only dropping in Tokyo on the 23rd. Let's talk about my favorite one out the pack, and I'm pretty sure it's his. Got the Welcome to St. Louis pack coming on November the 7th. Oh my God, that's a beautiful shoe, the 4 and the 11. Whew. We got the Welcome to London pack coming November the 16th. And we got the Welcome to Shanghai pack being exclusive to influencers over there in Shanghai. And following that, we got some phones coming out in carbon fiber. All black, real sleek looking. We got an MX 90 Grateful Dead and Oregon Ducks collaboration, Grateful Ducks. We got the KD4 and the Texas Longhorns colorway. And on the 25th, we got the Air Jordan 3 Family Affair, olive green. Yeah. You know I'm a Jordan head, man. I'm so much of a Jordan head, I'm really thinking about like stop talking about other shoes and just like get on Jordan, because that's really all I be caring about for real. But I do like other shoes, and other shoes do catch my eye. Got a lot of other shoes, but mainly Jordan. Jordan's always gonna catch my vision. And this pair right here is add to the lore. There's a lot of olive rendition Jordans out here, but this one right here, top tier. I like it because it's smooth, gum bottom, and don't feature the orange too much. And also on the 25th, we got the sneaker of the week runner-up, the Nike GT Future in solar orange coming out. This shoe right here got the streets talking, man. All different colorways, from the orange colorway to the silver colorway, all black colorway. I fuck with these because they bringing back that old 2000s Nike basketball vibe, you know, and dribbling in the commercial.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Everybody know what I'm talking about. Also, I've been seeing people get fits off with these. Rarely is it easy nowadays to get fits off with a basketball shoe. These are different. Like these go good with jeans and sweatpants and basketball shorts. Either way, I believe you can bring these out, rock these. Yeah, you know what time it is. It's time for the sneaker of the week. Let me repeat. It's the sneaker of the week. For the sneaker of the week this week, I'm going with the Blue Fusion AE2s, dropping on the 25th. I feel like these are sneaker of the week just because we getting a shoe that goes with the player's jersey. These right here pulling strong Timberwolves vibe. And plus, I feel like the AE2 is going on a good run. Probably not the same sneaker of the year run that the AE1 went on, but this AE2 coming out hard. From what I'm hearing, the AE2 is way more comfortable than the AE1s was. That's the only reason why you'll see me in the Timberwolves jersey, just because my boy from Georgia too. Gotta respect that. Georgia. And that'll do it for the best releases between now and October the 26th. Which pair you grabbing this week? Let me know in the comments, and you know your boy hit back. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for all the likes and the comments. And don't forget, get focused. And once you're focused, stay focused. We out.
Get focused.